going strong. We've been going strong and doing well. And Kanti, what are we done? You're opening the PPT for us?
Yes. Give me a second. I'll do that. I'll share my
63. I think that's it. Now I don't this one.
Yeah.
So this will get interrupted for people here.
Yes.
So let me. What was the next slide? I don't know. But I can just go on rambling about what we're doing. So I was not here in Bangalore for around 10 years. And when I came back to Bangalore, I just saw that people around us no longer spoke in Kannada. And we had a lot of non-Kannadigas. Of course, we and Bangalore, we all welcome non-Kannadigas. But on the other hand, we would like to promote the language. And I'm sure all of you also will feel the same about your mother tongue and about your language. What is happening currently is all of us are always speaking in English and we are studying in English, we're working, our workspace is in English. So we're all forgetting our regional languages. So that is what is happening. And I think there's a rich heritage and culture that's connected to our regional languages, which should not disappear. And I think it is the responsibility of each one of us to make sure that our languages live and they don't die. So with that mission, we're doing these Kannada programs. Yeah, about myself, I'm a Leo. And you know how Leos love to hog all the limelight. I've been able to do this with the support of great teammates. This is Manjula Raj, and she's an award-winning writer. She has written how many 12 books, 1,000 articles. People who read Kannada will know her because she's constantly writing. She's a prolific writer and an award, UNICEF award winning writer. And incidentally, she's also my mom. We always had this fight between mom and daughter, wherein I am doing English programs and she's saying, what about Kannada? What about Kannada? I said, who wants to learn Kannada? Then I came here and I saw the situation here and I said, there are quite a lot of non-Kannadigas out here who may want to learn Kannada. And that is when we started this. And I have her guidance and her expertise and experience to help us. Yeah, Kanti. Yes, and this is my dear friend Kanti, who is the name in the organization. I am the founder, but she is the co-founder. She's been there ever since, but she is modest and humble and doesn't want to be the co-founder, but she's been there from the beginning for me and for any brainstorming, for any ideation. And she's very passionate about what we are doing and we all love to work together. And so this doesn't feel like work for us. We are so constantly family members, people around us keep telling us, I don't know, you're all regular chatting constantly, but we are working. But of course, yes, chatting also. So we enjoy our work.
So we start?
Yeah. Next.
Yeah. So
okay.
I think Manjula ma'am, could you please unmute yourself and start the
quiz? Yeah.
Yes.
So we'll start with a small warm-up quiz. This quiz is actually questions for you in Kannada, basically meanings of some Kannada words. I know. All of you are saying, come on, we are here to learn Kannada. I don't know any Kannada words. But you would be surprised. So give it a try. Let's see how many of you can guess the meaning of these words.
And so all of you could please type in your answers. We'll not be able to unmute. Maybe please, but 4 or 5 of you can unmute yourself and tell. The rest of you can please type the answers in the chat box. It'll be easier. Okay, thank you. Manjula ma'am, the floor is yours.
There, I don't see her. Yes.
Eldrigu namaskara. I don't think you can understand Kannada. That's what we are trying to do. Now I'll tell some words. You try to tell the meaning in English. First one is Sambandha. Sambandha.
Okay, somebody called Manju Lakshmi has raised her hand. Could you please unmute yourself and tell us what you think it is?
Yeah. Don't wait for it. And people who know Kannada already, all our Kannada teachers and Kannadigas, I would expect you not to answer, please.
Sambandha means it should be a connection.
Okay.
Connection
so
or relation.
Direct, simple word. Yeah.
Okay, lots of people have answered. So
so
next,
it's coming in the text. Yes.
The chat is
yes.
Yeah. So
go ahead.
Jeevana krama or Jeevana shaili.
Hey, that's
very good.
Lovely.
So many people are answering.
Yeah.
That's lovely. Lovely.
Not bad. Yeah.
So you seem to know Kannada. How come? Go to the next word, Kanti. Yes.
Yeah. 1 second.
Paraspara. Paraspara. This is correct. Mutual is correct. Mutual. Yeah, so many people are answering. Very good. Very good.
Next one.
Next one, Kanti.
Yeah, I've already put it on.
It's there. Nambike.
Nambike. Nambike.
Yeah, that's right. Trust. Yes.
Very good. Very good. Akarshane. Akarshane. You people are making my work easy.
Excellent.
Karana. Karana. Yeah.
Okay. So we go for the answers.
Yeah, very good.
So everybody can correct themselves if they're wrong.
Yeah. If they are wrong, they can correct themselves. Shall I need to repeat it?
Yeah, just keep reading.
Yeah.
Sambandha, relationship. Jeevana krama, Jeevana shaili, lifestyle. Paraspara, mutual. Nambike, faith. Akarshane, attraction. Karana, reason.
Okay, we go on to the next slide for the quiz more.
Avakasha. Avakasha. No. No.
Yeah, opportunity. Somebody said that.
Opportunity. Some are, yeah.
We are already on 8:50. So let's just sort of.
Janapriya. Janapriya. Yeah, we need to make it a little bit fast. Loka Kalyana.
Yeah.
Loka Kalyana. Smarane. Smarane.
Society welfare, yes. Welfare of the society, yeah.
So I'll read the answers also. Avakasha, opportunity. Janapriya, popular. Loka Kalyana, well-being of the world. Smarane, remember. Memory.
You can make your notes, but we will also share these slides on the WhatsApp group.
Yeah, don't worry on that. So that's the end of the quiz, isn't it, Kanti?
Yes, that is the end of the quiz. And Manjula ma'am will have a short speech.
So before this slide, go back, Kanti. So how come you people could tell us the meaning of all these words? How was it possible? None of you are Kannadigas, you don't know Kannada, you're telling me. But how is it possible? Because yes, as all of you know, Sanskrit is the root of most of our regional languages here. And these words are derived from Sanskrit, and you have Janapriya, most of them you have it in Hindi and Tamil in a little bit different way. Yeah, exactly. Very similar to Hindi. So that is how. So what I would like to tell you is, you don't have to fear that this is some new foreign language, but this is something that you'll be familiar with, and it will be easy for you to learn. It's not a big deal. It's not going to be very tough. So that is what we wanted to convey here. So let go of all the inhibitions, and you'll do a good job.
We are trying to make it as easy as possible for you people.
Yes, yes. So over to you, Manjula ma'am.
Yeah. So as you are all learning Kannada language or interested to learn Kannada, I need to tell some greatness of Kannada language. Kannada is very easy to write and speak when compared to English or any other Western language. Kannada has 49 letters in the alphabet, whereas English has 26 letters. Kannada is the only language for which a foreigner named Kittal has written a dictionary. The Jnanapita Award is the highest literary honor conferred in Indian languages, and Kannada writers lead this category, with 8 of them being the recipients of this award. Kannada is the third oldest language after Greek and Sanskrit. It is 2000 years old.
Okay, so shall we begin?
Yeah.
1 second, please. Sorry. Yes. There's certain different letters in Kannada. It's slightly different. Manjula ma'am will explain how to speak about them. Meera, I think you may have to take over. I think Manjula ma'am's audio is not too good.
So basically, there are two different sounds that you may not be familiar with and that may not be there in your language, which is na, and another is la, na, na, la, la. So there is no other way of putting it in English because you don't have a na and a la. So we put it in capitals for you. So Manjula ma'am, are you there?
Yeah.
Please continue.
Yeah. See, na, that capital N and capital A. Is the sound is got by saying na, by rolling the tongue and bringing it back. See, for example, hana, na, hana, that means money, banna, color, jipuna, miser, pattana, city, kshana. Kshana is minute. Second. Please, will you repeat all these words after me?
So all of you mute yourself. As she is telling the word, you repeat it after her loudly.
Yeah, please. Hana.
Hana.
Banna.
Be on mute. Everybody be on mute, please.
Jipuna. Pattana. Kshana. Like this one, capital L and A, that is la. When you say this la, let the tip of your tongue touch the palate and it will roll off the tongue back and hit it downwards to say the sound. For example, avala, that means thala, rhythm, parimala, fragrance, thala,
muted, is it?
Avala
Some
is
people have.
coral. Avala is coral. Like that, please repeat after me. Please mute yourself and please repeat. Huh?
Please
Avala.
repeat aloud.
Avala. Avala.
Tala.
Tala.
Parimala.
Parimala.
Stala.
Stala.
Havala.
Havala.
Havala. La. We are teaching you to how to pronounce la. La. So give importance to that letter. Havala. Yeah. Gradually you will get the practice. No problem.
Okay. So shall we go on?
Yeah. To the next.
So what we are going to do is going to start with few of the introductory.
Pramila ma'am, can you please mute yourself? Pramila ma'am, can you please mute yourself?
Everybody, please mute yourselves.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Please repeat after us while on mute aloud so that you can hear what you say. See, how you learn a language is to hear when you speak. Then you will understand. When you read, you think you are speaking it correctly. It's only when you speak it aloud, you hear what you're saying is right or wrong. Okay? So please be on mute and speak it aloud. Okay? And man is a social animal. So that being the case, we have to begin a conversation. And how do we begin a conversation in Kannada? Meera and I will do the role play.
Nan hesaru Meera. Nim hesaru?
Nanna hesaru Kanti. So basically we are speaking to strangers. So Meera and I don't know each other. So you say Nanna hesaru means my name. And I'm so sorry. And hesaru means name. So when you say Nanna, we will explain it to you. But so basically she says Nanna hesaru Meera, Nimma hesaru Enu. So my name is Meera, and what is your name? Nanna hesaru Kanti. That means my name is Kanti. And if you're speaking to an acquaintance or a known person, Meera?
Chennagidira. Chennagidira.
Nanu chennagidini, neevu chennagidira.
Yeah. So chennagidira is how are you? Nanu chennagidini, neevu chennagidira means I'm fine. How are you? So what we'll do, Kanti will say this slowly. Let them just repeat it afterwards, after us.
And please change your names. Add your names. Okay?
Add your names there. Nanna hesaru Meera, Nimma hesaru Enu. Nanna hesaru Meera, Nimma hesaru Enu.
Nanna hesaru Kanti. Okay, this is a reply to when you are asked what your name is. Okay?
Repeat it, Kanti.
Nanna hesaru Kanti.
Yeah.
Nanna.
So if you know somebody, of course, you will not say, well, you will not ask their name. So you'll say, okay, hi, how are you? So that is the equivalent of that here, wherein you say, Chennagidira. Chennagidira. Yeah, Kanti.
Nanu chennagidini, neevu chennagidira.
Yeah. So that's it. So it's a simple one. And like Kanti was saying, we'll send this also later to you. We'll send the audios also for it on the WhatsApp group. Don't worry too much right now on making a note of it, but just keep listening
for you too.
And keep saying it aloud along with us.
And please understand, this is something for you to hear and read at the same time. So to connect the words and the sound. And when you say it aloud, it'll be easier. Okay, so I'll go to the next one. Okay. Okay, I'm so sorry. We'll be running out of time soon. Yeah.
Oh, already is it?
Yeah, 10 minutes more.
10 minutes more. 10 minutes more.
Yeah. So we are going to be presenting 50 commonly used Kannada words, and Meera ma'am and I give the floor to Meera ma'am and Manjula.
I think Manjula ma'am will say it. Then you people repeat it after her. Then after that, I have Manju Lakshmi raising her hand. She can say the first word loud, and we'll give you an opportunity for each of you to say the word loud. Manjula ma'am, you say and I'll repeat after you.
Yeah. Yes. How do?
No, don't say the English one, isn't it? Not required, no?
No, it is not required.
Whatever. How do?
So I need not repeat the English word.
No.
No need. Just say the English and the Kannada. I'll repeat after you.
No. Illa.
No. Illa.
Like. Ishta.
Like. Ishta.
Don't like. Ishta illa.
Ishta illa.
Simply. Summane. Sumne.
Sumne.
Difficult. Kashta.
Kashta. Tumba kashta.
Problem. Tondare.
Tondare.
Good. Channagide.
Chennagide.
Bad. Channagilla.
Chennagilla.
Want. Beku.
Beku. Ice cream beku.
Don't want. Beda.
Beda.
Homework beda.
Little.
Oh, homework beda. But you will get homework, all of you.
Little. Swalpa.
Swalpa.
But. Adare.
Manjula,
Can't you need to scroll it?
Yeah,
No.
once more.
Once more, please repeat before we change the.
Only Kannada?
Yes,
both.
only Kannada.
Both.
Only Kannada?
It's
Okay,
better both so that they can understand the meaning.
Perfect.
Yes. How do?
How?
No.
Yes.
No. Illa.
Yes. Illa.
Like. Ishta.
Ishta.
Don't like. Ishta illa.
Ishta illa.
Simply. Summane.
Sumne. You can say summane, sumne.
Difficult. Kashta.
Kashta. Tumba kashta.
Difficult. Kashta. Problem. Tondare.
Tondare.
Good. Channagide.
Chennagide. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು.
Bad. Channagilla.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Want. Beku.
ಬೇಕು.
Don't want. Beda.
ಬೇಡ.
Little. Swalpa.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
But. Adare.
ಆದರೆ.
So we
So
6 minutes more. How do we go about?
so we will finish the next slide and then we'll log off and log in again.
Okay. So all of you will have to log in the same
ID.
link because it's 40 minutes. This one is there. Yeah. Okay. For this, I would like all of you to stand up, please.
No, this is the basic pronouns, Meera.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. So stand up, and when you're saying that word, for example, for I, you can show the action because you know what happens. You remember things well with action. That is why we have taught all the children rhymes and stuff like that with action, isn't it? So when you say I, do it this way: I, we, they, you. That way, go ahead and do it so that it stays in your mind. Yes, ma'am. Manjula, ma'am, go ahead.
I'll say the words and Meera, you do the action.
Yeah.
I. Nanu.
Nanu.
We. Navu.
Navu.
He. Avanu.
Avanu.
You. Neenu.
Neenu.
And in English, for you, Neenu, Neevu, Tavu, yeah, all those things are common. Just now I'll say, Neenu is singular and Neevu is plural. For you, Neenu, Neevu. Like in Hindi, it comes tu, tum, or op. For all the three, you use you only. In that way, you means Neenu, Neevu, Tavu. Hope you'll get it in the forthcoming lessons. She, avalu.
Avalu.
That, adu.
Adu.
Adu, far. This, idu.
Idu.
Idu, this, idu. They, avaru.
Avaru.
Avaru, yeah.
We'll repeat it once more.
Shall I repeat once again?
Yes.
I,
Yeah.
Nanu.
Nanu.
We, Navu.
Navu.
He, avanu.
Avanu.
You, Neenu, Neevu, Tavu. It's a little bit can be confusing. You learn it. Tavu. She, avalu.
Avalu.
That, adu.
Adu.
This, idu.
Idu.
They, avaru.
Avaru.
Yeah.
So
okay, I think
You have got an idea.
Yeah, we have 2.5 more minutes. So what I was thinking is I will stop the recording and I will stop the meeting. Please log in back in the same meeting ID. We'll all be waiting and we have a little more time. We would love to spend with all of you. And I would also start the meeting, next meeting, about what we would love to have from you. Okay, thank you so much.